Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. After that, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of LinkedIn. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. You will click clear cache, but don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about LinkedIn, you can update here if you will find in this blue sign update. If it's not working with you, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.